Hey guys, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie, and today I am halfway through my cleaning schedule for the week. If you're new here, every day this week I have been going through what I do to keep my house clean. I have 2 young kids, and sometimes it can be really hard to keep my house clean. So what I thought I'd do is take you each and every day this week to show you the tasks that I do each day and everything that I do to keep up on my home. And so we are getting started on Wednesday. So the first thing I did was wipe down the counters, and I did this because I was already in brushing my teeth, so I just did it real quick before I started my bed. And then I went into the room and got my bed made. Now, since I was already getting myself ready, I went ahead and wiped down the counters in the other bathroom. Wednesdays are my vacuuming days. So I try really hard to get going on the vacuuming because I try to move everything in the house and get everything vacuumed. This is the thorough vacuum for the entire week. And so I want to get any of the dust that has settled and all. So this is my day where I get everything done. Like I said, I move everything from off the floors. Then while I was downstairs, I also went ahead and got my 1 load of laundry done for the day. And into the dryer it goes. Then into the living room I go to vacuum. This is the place I hate vacuuming because I move all the furniture and try to vacuum underneath. It gets so nasty under there. Next was the kitchen. I got everything loaded into the dishwasher so it could be run. And this is the day that I try to get anything wiped out or cleaned out that could leave crumbs. So like the toaster, as well as the microwave and the stovetop. We have a gas stove, so getting that all cleaned out and taking everything off, wiping it out really good. This is the day I try to do that because I'm getting ready to vacuum. Then it was time to vacuum and get everything cleaned. Then it was time to get the load out of the dryer and fold it. Then lastly, I need to vacuum Silas's room. So getting in there, just moving things around, making sure everything gets vacuumed. I don't move his bed or the desk. That's kind of one of those due in the spring because I kind of need some help getting them moved. But everything else gets moved and vacuumed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel, please hit that red subscribe button down below. There is also a little bell down below that you can hit and it will notify you every single time I upload a new video. Those who would like to comment below, I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear what cleaning schedules you use. If you're new, please comment down below and say hi. I hope to hear from you there, and I will see you tomorrow.